For as long as I can remember, I've always been drawn to the power of visual storytelling, and shooting photos and film has definitely become a part of my identity. I feel that the ability to tell a story with a visual aspect and capture a moment in time is one of the most powerful things we can share as human beings. My name is Joe Large, and I'm a professional photographer and filmmaker based in Breckenridge, Colorado. Being a filmmaker and photographer has given me a way to express myself and to connect with others on a deeper level.
I nailed it!
I feel incredibly fortunate to be able to do something that I love every day. It's who I am as a person. This passion has helped me grow. It's taught me patience, perseverance, and the importance of hard work. It's challenged me to step outside my comfort zone, to take risks, and to push myself to be the best that I can. Over time, this has become a deeply personal and meaningful pursuit. It's not just about getting the shot or making a great film. It's about telling stories, connecting with people, and making an impact. My journey into the world of photos and film has always been intertwined with my love for nature and the great outdoors. My good friends at Vallerret have made a huge impact on the places I've been able to take my camera thanks to their super tech gloves and base layers. From the beginning, Vallerret showed unwavering support for my work. It wasn't just about providing me with gear. It was about fostering a genuine connection with someone who shared their passion for photography and the great outdoors. Our partnership has turned into a true friendship built on a shared passion for capturing the beauty of the natural world. We've shared stories of our adventures, swapped tips and tricks, and celebrated each other's successes. When I pick up my camera or fly a drone, I'm not just taking a photo or shooting a scene. I'm capturing a moment, a feeling, a memory. And in doing so, I'm expressing myself and sharing a part of who I am with the world.